Big up everybody we check in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now talk to me in the comment section. Some people have said something or something. And that even though Maitland is behind the bars, there are other people who are involved and they should also be brought to justice. If you agree with that, drop a like on the video and drop a comment in the comment section. Then I'll leave mother take to the streets now after 3. And I'm going to hear what she have to say. As I say, do you believe that other accomplices were involved and that they should be brought to justice? Look and listen.
For a man to take down a woman out of this world that he said is his backbone. He loved this girl that was his postcard for her birthday. She is his backbone. How can you take your backbone away? Over 2 years now, and you won't talk what you do with it? Eh? Come on, man. We need justice, people. And that's why we are here today, to remind you that on the 28th of April next month, the trial begins for Noel Maitland. The case that was held on the 12th of July 2022, where the Constable Police Noel Maitland unalived his girlfriend at his Chelsea Manor apartment. I don't know who do it. I don't business who do it. All I know, she was at his house. Evidence is at his house. I will not say no more about that. I am not the DPP. I am not the Indicom. I am not a part of the police association. So I am not going to go in detail. But we need justice because evidence sufficient is there to have him locked down for 2.5 years. We will be leaving here to emancipation where we will finish.
Talk to me in the comment section and tell me what you think. For some reason, the whole Donna and Noel Maitland situation has been put off for quite some time. How long now this take place? We are wonder what really happened. All know the trial can't start. But clearly, Maitland is not getting out of jail. So, I wonder what really happened. Now, also happening on the Jamaican island, a mysterious container full of suspicious chicken already packaged, but in a container, destinations unknown, origins unknown. We don't know where the chicken did go. We don't know where it come from. We don't know how long the container has been adrift at sea. And people already start to loot the container. You know, them will carry my chicken. The government already advised, don't buy it from them and don't eat it. Then put out the package, the picture of the package, and also showed looters. I'm going to say what I want. Look and listen.
Concerns surrounding consuming this chicken that was found in the container. For one, it is unclear how long that the container has been adrift or beached, and the chicken has undoubtedly been exposed to uncontrolled temperatures. Without proper refrigeration, raw poultry rapidly becomes a breeding ground for dangerous bacteria such as salmonella. There's a high risk of contamination. The chicken may now be contaminated with salmonella, E. coli, listeria, and other harmful bacteria. These bacteria can cause serious foodborne illnesses, especially in children, the elderly, and persons with compromised immune systems, such as cancer patients and diabetics. There's no guarantee of safe handling. The products may not have been inspected or cleared at the point of origin, nor have they been inspected and cleared by the Ministry of Health with the Veterinary Services Division. There's no assurance of proper food handling or hygiene since they were retrieved directly from a damaged shipping container and carried away by individuals under unsanitary conditions. To the individuals who removed the boxes of chicken from the container, please do not consume or sell this meat. Safely dispose of it, as eating or distributing it could lead to widespread illnesses. To the general public, Be vigilant. If you are purchasing chicken from street vendors or food establishments, ask questions. Ensure the source of the meat is reputable, and if in doubt, do not consume it. To food business operators and vendors, selling or preparing meals with chicken of unknown and unverified origin is not only unethical, it is dangerous and could result in public health violations or prosecution. As the opposition spokesman on health, I urge the Ministry of Health and Wellness, the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, the Ministry of Commerce, and the Jamaica Constabulary Force to immediately investigate and seize the container to safely dispose of the remaining goods to prevent further risk to public health.
Now, I don't need, I don't think people in need for nobody have to tell them. As a matter of fact, when the people pull the container and realize some meat in there, they should leave it alone and call the authorities. But that's why the warning I go out. Because we know our people mindset is in this day and age. It's one of the few things that happen. Them people that either eat the meat or sell the meat. We know this. It's either two or a few scenarios that go play out with this container full of meat. The people that either use it or sell it. People be on the lookout. So we get a picture of where the chicken was originally in. Then probably go change wherever them are sell it in. Be cautious of any cheap farmer chicken. Try remember how much was the price of chicken in recent days. And anytime you see it any lower than that, leave it alone. Don't buy it. Leave it alone. But yo, and the people them say them can't tell. How long now this a drift? I think by now some container ship would say how, you know, container missing or something happen. And we never know people ship whole chicken these long distances. And probably something in a cold storage. Probably one of them type of container there, but yo, all if it them say I did yesterday, all if them tell us say yo, them see best before date pan it, don't trust it. Don't trust it. This is going to pose a hazard for society right now, as simple as I see it. Because you have some people where can't let the cheap things. You have some people where them can't walk past a bargain. If them know so the thing of $1,000 them see with it for 2 bills, them want it. Them can't walk past the bargain. You can still have some people who go and buy it. The best we can do is advise them. Remind them say that is not a wise decision. This is one of them video they have to share. And about the likes, and about the subscribe. This is something for people be aware. Because you have some people who will pass this off to people and not make them no wiser. The only way you probably can know at the price. Told them want to sell it, them just you know? They must sell it. So any price I give them, they will take it. And to the food shop, them, the restaurant, them, on the Jamaican island, we're going to try for buy the cheap meat, for try for make food and sell to people. At this point in time, it will probably be a crime. It will whole heap of health code violations would take place. This. But then again, how would people know? Talk to me. Tell me anything. You feel like this should be a container where the people them see, and when them pull it, them leave it alone and call the authorities. Even the whole scenario looks suspicious. mysterious floating container of meat and people want to take it for eat and sell. No, sir. The whole thing sounds suspicious. Me not see how so much people are take the meat and I go and I call more people for come for meat. And then the like says a local provider. They've never seen a local company logo upon it. They say, all right, I must ship it or ship off from Jamaica. This not ship off from Jamaica. And this was not destined to Jamaica neither. Because I don't think Jamaica import all a bird. We have two big conglomerates to deal with chicken out there. I don't think them are importing a whole a bird. Not in a bag with no logo upon it. No, sir. Them not importing a bird in a bag with no logo upon it. So obviously this never go to Jamaica. So tell me what I want. Tell me what you feel about this. As I say, make fellow Jamaicans aware. Share the video. Make them see what I want. Make them see for themselves and hear for themselves. And make them say and just hearsay. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, so pass through, of course, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also there, right beside the share. Comment section, Daddy. Talk to me in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Now, of course, until we reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love, and prosper, and also for to stay tuned.